Man-made engineering has always been there as a solution to conquer nature. However, with the increasing damage natural disasters are bringing, citizens and government officials are not taking an active stance to strengthen man-made engineering structures. For instance, in the hilly Taipei city, government officials have assigned an identification number for each retaining wall to keep track of its maintenance record. Here's more.
Government workers are recording this man-made slope's length, width, height, and steepness.
调查过程中，我们把所有的尺寸一些可以记录的东西都先记录下来。
间距198。
The higher the retaining wall, the more likely problems will occur.
The retaining wall's surface and its surrounding environment also needs to be checked for cracks. Upon inspection, most areas only need minor fixes. However, this particular retaining wall needed a major renovation.
After the rod rusted, it expanded and broke through the surface, cracking the cement. After we remove the rust, we will see if the steel rod is broken, and if so, we will chisel and remove it.
Sloped land makes up 55% of Taipei City, and monitoring it is so important that the government has set up a department to watch over it.
初步统计
Initial reports document about 33,000 man-made slope like these retaining walls. We keep track of each wall to prevent damage to them and to reduce the possibility of a landslide in a natural disaster.
我想整个坡地的风险就更低。
In preventing landslides from occurring after land shaping, artificial slopes and retaining walls are monitored and given each their own identification number.
像这种
The retaining wall is here to prevent the soil from sliding down after the land has been shaped. If the protection system is not strong enough, then landslides can occur, usually on a large scale.
The importance of assigning retaining walls an identification number is so that the wall's maintenance crew will be there to make repairs.
It serves as a reminder for them to make repairs when needed to prevent a disaster from happening. When the Lincoln Mansion incident happened, it caused massive damage. When retaining walls fail, it usually directly affects homes.
As well, now there is a mobile app that gives residents geological information of the land they live on.
This white area is actually the Wuzhisan Formation. This way you can see this red area is a dip slope area, and its possible landslide movement is towards that direction. This app uses landmarks and housing numbers to pinpoint your location. You can also turn on the GPS function to mark your location.
Although this application has the benefit of GPS, a governmental disaster potential map also provides all the necessary information.
That's a key to tell you what the different colored areas mean. Maybe members of the public may not be able to remember what a deep slope or debris avalanche means, but they will know these marked areas are areas where landslides may occur.
However useful these maps are, further survey of the geology of the land is always recommended when purchasing houses or developing land.
Although an area is not flagged as dangerous, it does not necessarily mean it's safe. For example, if you're looking to build in this area that's not marked, I need to remind you that the surrounding areas has the potential for deep slope occurrence. Thus, if you really want to build houses here, you need to survey the land more closely.
Man-made engineering has always been there to overcome obstacles set out by nature. However, in reality, Mother Nature can strike back. Therefore, only in taking a preventative stance can citizens protect themselves and their family members.